Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sound. Then let's tap on ringtone, and as you can see here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of this list we've got this option silent, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And here we've got this plus icon, which means that after tapping on it you can enter your internal storage and choose something from your own files. So for example, if you've got something downloaded, then you will be able to set it as a ringtone. So to listen how the specific ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, for example this bubble one, and after checking whether you like it or not, you can simply just leave it marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.